Hello everyone. This is the time that I am doing an ancestral healing workshop. What is ancestral healing? Ancestral healing is done to release the patterns that we have inherited from our ancestors. Why now? Because this is the time which is called Pitru Paksh. Per Hindu mythology, this is the most auspicious time to connect with your ancestors, pay your reverence, obedience, and also help them with me to ascend to the higher dimensions. Now you'll ask me why it is important to do that. Because what we are experiencing today in our lives is coming from three things. Number one, our own karma. Number two, from our ancestors' karma. And number three, from collective consciousness. So ancestors do play a big part of our lives. Our facial features, our habits, our expressions, even hereditary diseases, we all know that, right? So if we are carrying all of these, you can imagine we are also carrying their mindset, their traumas, their disappointments that is also carrying in our system. And as we inherit the inheritance, we also inherit these issues as well. So this is the only way to release your ancestors, by being into the healing meditations with me. So do not wait. This is the time that you join in. The link is below, all the descriptions are there, and you would learn about me in my YouTube channel and on my website. This is Dr. Divya Madan, a metaphysical counselor and holistic health and life coach. I do my level best to take you all to a journey where you will astrally meet your ancestors and you will be able to release the traumas that you might be carrying from them in order to what? Increase the better energy flow in your system for your health, your relationships, and your finances. So the focus will be increasing the finances and bettering of your health and relationship. Do not wait. This is the time. If you do not do it during this period, you will not be able to do it ever. Do not wait. Join in. The link is below.